Okay, this is Leatherman Micra. Show this side. Let's show the back side. There's a ruler here. Ruler on the other side. For your keychain. Nail cleaner and file. Medium screwdriver. Knife. Phillips screwdriver. Tweezers. Bottle opener and extra small screwdriver. Scissors. Ruler. I'm going to compare it to some other items. Here's some tape. Compare it's really small. Here's when it's fully open. PlayStation controller. Like I said, it's really small. Super small. A half-liter water bottle. When it's open. Leatherman wave. Thickness. Okay, first I'm going to cut this regular paper. Okay, now plastic straw. A thin piece of cardboard. Yeah, thick piece of cardboard, just your standard cardboard. Now I'm going to demonstrate other tools. So tweezers. Tweezers. Napkin. Piece of paper. So now I'm going to show the knife. And cardboard. straw. Paper. Plastic. And if you want to open a package, you have your nail cleaner, got a little file, medium screwdriver. Okay. You want to use it as a scraper. And you have your ruler. You have your Phillips screwdriver right here. Last one. You have your bottle opener and extra small screwdriver. And of course you have your key ring if you want to put on your keychain. Who is this tool for? Just something to have your keychain or as a backup somewhere it's really small and portable. Definitely recommend this for anyone who's looking. It's just something spare, something to put around. You want to use it for something heavy duty, I really don't recommend it. Maybe just to open your packages up. Maybe you want to give it as a gift someone, so you can get into multi-tools. It's really small, compact. Definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to get one. So don't hesitate and go get yourself one. Yeah, I like that sound. That sound never gets old. Tweezers.